Hi there, binary options traders. My name is AJ, and today I have my trade of the day. Today is June 5th, 2012, and it was a 60-second option on the euro, and it was a $200 investment with an expiry at above $340, which was a nice $140 payout. And so I'm going to show you why I was confident in the move, and so let's get into the chart work. So as you can see, this is the EUR-USD on MetaTrader, which is a 1-minute chart, and as you can see from the candles that it was pretty much ranging, but if you've been watching the charts recently, you'll notice that right now it's 2:55 p.m. in the afternoon, and this trade was taken around 6:32 in the morning. So yeah, big time difference. And if you've noticed the charts, the euro's just been all over the place. I'm pretty sure traders have no idea what's going on because they're really worried about what's going to happen with the G20 summit coming up soon, and they had a phone call with all the G7 leaders this morning, sometime around 10 a.m. GMT time. So there's been a lot of choppiness in the market. So it's been very difficult to place trades. So even when you want to place trades, you can't see where you can't make a good probable guess as to where the expiry will end up at. So that's where 60-second options and things like that, and like short expiries, like 15 minutes, something like that, and joining in maybe in a 50-minute expiry within the last 5 minutes, can really help in boosting up your probability levels. So for example, as you can see over here, this is where I placed my entry, and as you can see, the stochastic was pointing to really overbought conditions, oversold conditions, excuse me, and the RSI had this nice sharp upturn. And as you can see over here, there's this really big candle of indecision. Well, not really indecision, actually. Let me rephrase that. What happened was that it was a green candle over here, and then this went red and was red for the majority of it, and then it just boosted up, and there was a small little body over here that just closed right above. And so the next candle, of course, took off. And as you can see from the chart over here on the EUR-USD, took off. So it's always nice when it ends up like that, but always try and put more, always try and put all the ducks in your favor, so to speak. Maybe the word of advice for myself, and if you want to share in this too, is that if you see a lot of chop in the market, is what it is known as, or just it's because you can't really define it as ranging, or it's not channeling, it's not trending, so it's choppy, right? So if that is happening and you're not confident, stay away. And that's what I'm going to do today. This is one of the few trades I took today, and I'm not going to overtrade, and I'm not going to stick around and see if I can pull off some more trading opportunities. I'm out. That's it. And I think that's a really important lesson to learn, because there's nothing, you can't lose money by not trading. I think that seems fairly obvious, of course, but when you're trading, you don't think like that. You're like, oh, well, just another trade, and you're trying to push it sometimes. Really, so the psychology of it is that you have to be in control of your emotions, and that doesn't mean like you should be stone cold and like have no fear and do whatever you want. But what I mean by that is that you should be able to recognize when you are in a losing market for whatever position you're holding, whether that's a put or a call, and or a boundary option, or a one-touch option, depending on what you're doing. I'm going to be getting, maybe later on, maybe in a couple of weeks, I might be exploring some of those options. I've been trying them out recently, and they're very good, but I haven't had enough success with them, I feel, to start showing them in my videos. Anyway, that's it for me. I hope you learned something. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, and share the videos along to all your friends and binary options traders. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the Happy Forexes channel, because that's a great resource of information, just a great trade to watch, and a lot of learning, a lot of experience to be had from those videos. If you don't have a 24 option account, I recommend them highly. So if you don't have one, what you can do is you can click the link in the description. It'll take you to the 24 option page. You can sign up. It's a $200 deposit, and then what you can do is you can get a demo account for free from them, which they will refill constantly, even if you flatten it every time. They will refill it happily as long as you have the original $200 investment. And you don't have to touch that until you're confident within the demo account to move back to live. Anyways, that's it for me. Hope this was informative, and hope everyone has a great day. And that's it.